Hey guys, coming at you with a product review. So, coming at you with my AEVO facial steamer. Ordered it off of Amazon. I love Amazon. It came in like 2 days, I believe. And I've already used it, so I just wanted to do the unboxing for you guys and what all came in the package and actually turn it on for you, see how it works, let you know the benefits. So, as soon as you open up your package, I'm gonna open it up. Everything comes nicely wrapped. Also comes with a headband that goes around your head, and it comes with some extraction tools. So first, let's get to the extraction tools. Now, these are tools that can help you get the gunk out of your face, the blackheads, the whiteheads, all that other stuff, so you don't have to use your fingers to push things out of your face. You can actually use extraction tools. So I'll show you what each tool looks like. Then you have this one that has the flathead. I've used this one. And then the bottom piece right here is a very sharp, pointy tool. This is very, very sharp. And I did use it, and I probably won't be using it again because I ended up punching a hole in myself. This end right here is also very sharp, but it's not as long as the other one, but it's a sharp tool. And then you have a little circle tool. And they did come with like these plastic covers on top to prevent you from just poking your eyeball out. Then you also have another tool that is very, very sharp. And then the other head is like a triangle. So it came with 4 extraction tools in a nice little carrying case, so you can keep up with them. Also came with a headband, and I actually like this headband. It's nice and stretchy. So this can help y'all that want to save your edges with the steam hitting you in your face. And just put it on like so. Cute little bow. So now let's get into the actual steamer. So the actual steamer, I must have had some water left over in it because it is drip in. I did not clean it out as properly as I should have, but this is where the steam comes out of. The back part right here is where you actually put your water in here and place it down in like so. You have your power button right here. And then you just, this is the perfect table for me to do it too. Fill it up with water, plug it in, press the power button, and then the steam hits you in your face. And it's timed, so it will turn off by itself. And they recommend you doing just the amount, the time amount that they have for you. This twists off. I have a little bottle of water right here, so I didn't have to get up. So I'm gonna show you how it works. Fill it up with some water. You're going to screw your top back on. Place it back in the back. Oh, that's why. And then you want to plug it up. Let's see, I have a plug that's right here that's closer. And as soon as you plug it up, it's gonna turn on. I had some water that drips out of there because I did not dry it off completely. But you want to give it about 30 seconds, I believe they said. I'm in my layover hotel, but you want to give it about 30 seconds to warm up and get to going. And then the steam is going to start coming out. So let's see how long it actually takes. You can hear it working. Some of the steam is starting to come out. Now, when you get the product, they did recommend that you cycle through 2 to 3 cycles of water, just because it's been in the warehouse. And they said that it might have like the burnt plastic smell. I didn't really notice a burnt plastic smell when I did it, but they do recommend that you cycle through 2 to 3 rounds of water through the system first before you actually sit in front of it and let the steam hit your face. So once you see the steam is going, all you do, and I have my lashes on, so I'm not gonna sit here, but all you do is sit here and let the steam hit your face. Get it all over your face so that it's opening up your pores and all of that. Now, after I do my face steam, I go into my extraction if I need to extract anything, blackheads, whiteheads, pimples, whatever. Then I go in with my facial mask, try to clean my skin, get it all hit up with the moisturizer and all of that. But out of 5 stars, I give this little baby a 5. It gets really, really hot. You don't want to put your face too close to the steam either. They recommend like, I think 20 centimeters away or something like that. I don't know. You can read the directions in the box, but I do recommend it. You see, it does have a powerful steam. So in all, satisfied.